Vaibhav, Aman Chaurasia. Aman also very off and on he takes leave. He doesn't attend the class regularly.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Put your audios off, children. Nija, Raghav, Nija, Raghav, Soham Das, Raghav is here. Kanak Sood. Hurry up, children. Sakshan, just test it out. Just check. Tell me, am I more, my voice is more clear than previous days?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I have changed. I have used a mic and webcam separately just to enhance the vision. I think picture would also be more clear.
Ma'am, yes.
Ansh, Sahadev, Sakshi. Children, we need to be faster. I have to finish with 2.4 today. I can see 19 participants. Lakshit Gupta. Lakshit is there. Put your audios off, children. To move our class smoothly, we have to keep our audios off. I can see 20 children. And the strength is 32. Somita is entering now. Somita. Akul. Hurry up. 22 children I can see. 10 are still not there. I'm just waiting. Mute, please mute yourself. As soon as you join, after wishing me, please put yourself on mute mode so that the class goes on smoothly. I think I should start now. 20 to 10 are still not here. I hope everybody was clear that being Saturday also you will have class. There was no confusion. There was no confusion.
No, ma'am.
23 children. Sohan, are you able to see clearly better than previous days? Sohan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
But sometimes it becomes unclear.
I have changed. I have attached a separate camera and mic along with the PC, along with my laptop. Earlier I was using the integrated one. Earlier I was using integrated. Now I'm using a separate webcam and mic.
Yes, ma'am, it is better.
Yes. Chalo. I can see 23 children. I think I should start. We will continue with the exercise. Is there anybody in the class who has query in the previous questions? Any question? Beta, किसी में भी कोई query है तो जल्दी से बताओ. 8th A has started 3rd chapter. I still need 2 more classes to complete this chapter. Did you all try questions I gave in open door questions and extra questions I gave in linear equations?
Yes, ma'am.
Solving वाले भी दिए थे आपको और word problems भी दिए थे. आपने सबने try किया?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you able to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please put your videos
Yes,
on.
ma'am.
I am not putting your videos on because you're not in school uniform. Still put your videos on. I feel connected if you all, if I am able to see you all. Otherwise, I can also put my video off. I feel to be connected. Now I am starting with my class. Only there are some problem in some connection, network connection, then only you can keep it off. Otherwise, put your videos on. Now I am starting with continuing the exercise. It's a very interesting question, not very easy. That's why I was waiting. That's why I wanted to wait for everybody. Let me read out the question for you. Are you all able to see the question? Are you able to
Yes,
see the
ma'am.
question?
Yes, ma'am.
Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniforms. Shirt material that costs him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that costs him rupees 90 per meter. He's a shopkeeper. He buys two type of cloth, one for shirt, one for trouser. And the cost of the material, now the people will come. Harshabad and Akib. As usual, they are late. Harshabad एंड आकिब. आकिब तो आके मेरी जान भी खाएगा कि मैम दोबारा करवाओ, इसलिए हम रुक जाते हैं उसके लिए. आकिब, हैव यू जॉइंड? आकिब?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why have you joined late, beta? 8 minutes late, huh?
मैम वो मैम कह रहा था कि प्लीज वेट, द होस्ट विल लेट यू इन, इसलिए रुकना पड़ा था.
नहीं बेटा, मैं तो फटाफट से एंट्री दिया सबको. चलो देखते हैं क्वेश्चन. देखो, हमने क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट कर दिया था. आपका नाम देखा, मैंने रुक गई हूँ, दोबारा बता रही हूँ. Hassan is a shopkeeper. He buys two type of material. One is for shirt, one is for trouser. And the cost of shirt material is rupees 50 per meter and cost of trouser material is rupees 90 per meter. और एक सेट बनाने के लिए he needs to buy 3 meters of shirt material and 2 meters of trouser material. He needs 2 meters of trouser material and he needs 3 meters of shirt material. And he sells the materials at the rate of 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is rupees 36,660. How much trouser material did he buy? It's not very easy question. Please understand. Try to understand it twice. Read it twice. Let the material used for shirt. Sneha is entering now. Sneha Manna. Let the material used for shirt be 3x. The ratio is 3:2. Shirt is to trouser is 3:2. Then let the material used for trouser be 2x. Now, I hope everybody's understood why we have taken 3x and 2x. If anybody is studying, क्योंकि एक सेट बनाने के लिए, एक यूनिफॉर्म सेट बनाने के लिए he needs 2 meters of trouser and 3 meters of shirt material. Okay. Now let's find out CP and SP. You can see here I've made a table for you. It will make our work a little more convenient. What is the CP of shirt? Shirt material is rupees 50 per meter. So I need to multiply 50 into 3x. 50 into 3x. 50 into 3x is the amount he spends on. Is the amount he spends on shirt. This is the amount he spends on shirt. Now similarly, I'll find the amount he spends on trouser. Can somebody tell from your side?
Ma'am, 2x into 90 होगा.
Raise your hand and then speak. Okay. 90 into 2x. 90 is the cost of 1 meter and 3x and 2x are the length of the cloth he is using. Who is entering now? Ravit. Ravit also comes late. Now, we have to find SP also accordingly. Then they are saying he sells the materials at 12% and 10% profit respectively. 12% is for trouser and 10% is for shirt. 12% is for trouser and 10% is for shirt. How do we find SP if we know profit percent and if we know CP? Somebody from your side will tell me. Raise your hand and I'll ask you. Raise your hand, children. Put your videos on.
Divide.
Very good. You don't know how to find, if profit is given to us, CP is known to us, how can we find SP? Swamita has raised her hand. Let her try.
We will add CP and profit.
We normally add CP and profit. But how to find profit? Profit on shirt is given as 10%. Profit on shirt is given as 10%. हाँ जी, इसमें 10% add हो जाएगा. Rupees 10%. 50 into 3 was? What was 50 into 3? Divesh is coming now.
150.
150.
150.
150x
plus 10 by 100.
Very good. Plus 10% of 150. 10% of 150. Can I say 10%? Can you show? Can we write like this? 10%. 10%. You'll write in proper fraction, children. Or I can write 0.01. I can also write 0.01. Rupees 150x. This is the SP of shirt. This will be the SP of shirt. This is going to be SP of shirt. Similarly, we will find out
165x.
Yes, 165x. Very good. Now we'll calculate. Don't worry. Now I have to add 12% on trouser. 180x plus
12% of 188.
Very good. 12% means 12 1 upon 100 into 180x. All of you start calculating. All of you start calculating. Somebody told me the SP of shirt. Somebody recently told me the SP of shirt. They've told me. They've 165x. 165x. Very good. Now, what is the SP of trouser? What is the SP of trouser? 12% on 180 plus 180x.
Ma'am, 201.6.
No. Just try. Check again. 180 plus 12% of. Can we write like this? 180 plus. What is
21.6?
216x?
No, ma'am. 21.6x.
No, I'm saying 180x plus 12% of 180x. What is 12%?
Ma'am, 201.6x.
Let's see. 180x plus 12% is 0.12 into 180. Calculate, children. What is 0.12 into 180? What is 0.12 into 180?
2.16. No, 21.6.
Check it out. Everybody will check out. 180x plus 12%.
मैम 201.6 आ रहा है.
21.6 आ रहा है.
On shirt he is getting 10% profit. on trouser is getting 12% profit. The easier way is, if you even don't multiply, we can use this as it is.
21.6.
You're getting 21.6. You have to add 180 also to it. To add 180 also to it.
Ma'am, the 200
Ma'am, 201.6.
201.6. This is what you all are telling to me.
Yes.
Now,
yes, यही होगा answer.
you will form the equation. You will add up both SPs and you will get the answer as 36,660, and you will be able to get the equation and you will be able to solve the main problem, the main question. The crux of the question was here only: how to find SP, how to find CP. I hope all of my children can solve further. We have already done a lot of questions to solve the equations. Try out. In case you're not able to solve, we'll discuss in the next class. Am I clear, children?
मैम हमें दोनों सेलिंग प्राइस को प्लस करना है और इक्वल टू 36,600
1660 रखना है. हाँ जी, ठीक है. Am I clear, children? You will try
Ma'am,
out. In case you are not able to solve, I will solve next time for you. Next.
मैम आप बता दो सेकंड में अभी फिर
Let's form the equations for. Let's form the equations for next few questions. Then we will solve them together. The equation forming is not that easy. हाँ जी.
मैम मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ मैम एक बार बता दो मैम कैसे करना है मुझे समझ नहीं आया.
इन दोनों को ऐड करोगे बेटा 165x को और 20.16x को और इक्वेट कर दोगे 36,660. ओके
ओके मैम.
मैम x = 100 निकल गया है. मैं ट्राउजर से मल्टीप्लाई कर दूं.
हाँ जी, बस x = 100 निकल गया.
2x.
ओके.
200. Yes मैम.
यस.
2x 2 × 100.
मैम एक बार वो क्वेश्चन दिखा दो बस.
हाँ जी, देखो बेटा, देखो. Akif, from tomorrow please join in time. Join in time. You always join late.
Okay ma'am.
I'll make it broader. See, this tabular form makes the work little easier. You can do it this way.
मैम
It
x
will make our work.
मैम x = 100.
Yes, very good. So you can easily, that's what I was telling you. You all can find the value of x very easily. The main crux of the question was here only. It was the only difficult part in the question, how to frame, how to find CP and SP. Once you know, once you have found SP of shirt, SP of trouser, total SP is given to us. This is total SP. Okay?
वो 100 का क्या करें? बस आ गया ना आंसर.
हाँ जी. Now let's see the next very interesting question.
मैम वो जो x आया उसको मैम जो x आया उसको ट्राउजर मटेरियल के साथ वो नहीं करना इक्वेट टू x है जो ट्राउजर मटेरियल.
ट्राउजर मटेरियल निकालने के लिए आपको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. बस 200 मीटर. ओके. 200 meter is the trouser material. 300 meter is the shirt material for one shirt. Okay. Yes. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. See how we can use pictorial form to represent the same question. Suppose हमारे पास x deers हैं. Total deer are x. Suppose total deer are x. From here, total are x. So half of them means x/2 are grazing in the field and x/2 are non-grazing. They are not grazing. Then जो half बच गया जो graze नहीं कर रहा है, the question says 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. हमने इस पोर्शन को 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया. 3/4 ये 3/4 हो गया. 3/4 टोटल 4 पार्ट्स में से 3 पार्ट्स हैं जो ये वाला पार्ट और ये वाला पार्ट. दे आर प्लेइंग एंड रेस्ट 9 आर ड्रिंकिंग वाटर फ्रॉम द पॉन्ड. कितना बच गए? 1/4 ऑफ x/2 बच गया. दे आर ड्रिंकिंग वाटर और इसका नंबर हमको मालूम है, नंबर इज 9. We know how many deer are drinking water. So this is very simple. Once we show it by this diagram, it becomes very easy. Let me explain again. Let the total number of, yes, was raised. Then let me just check. Lakshit, bolo beta. Lakshit, you have raised the hand.
No.
Your hand is raised. Put it down if you don't have query. Somebody else also has raised the hand. Let me check. Children, please put your videos on. I want to see you people. Right now, I am not able to see. One more hand. I think somebody has lowered down now. Reyansh. Reyansh, you have any query?
मैम ये वाला क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं आया मैम.
ये वाला?
क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ आया.
Okay, I'll explain again. Let the total number of deer be X. We'll write like this. Let's write also. Let the total number of deer be X. Suppose हमारे पास total जो herd है हमारे deer का वो X है. उसमें से how many are grazing in the field? Number of deer grazing in the field.
1/2x.
Yes, or X by 2. Children, please put your audios off. It creates problem for others. X by 2. Then number of deer, non-grazing deer, जो graze नहीं कर रहे हैं. Number of deer, number of non-grazing, or the remaining deer. Remaining deer is equal to X by 2. Now, अब जो बच गए थे उसमें से 3/4 they are playing. Number of deer playing. 3/4 of X upon 2. 3/4 of X upon 2. And number of deer. हाँ जी बोलो बेटा.
हम इसको सीधा 3x upon में 8 नहीं लिख सकते?
लिख सकते हैं, बिल्कुल लिख सकते हैं. Right now, the thing is we don't need this number. We only need last number. That's why I'm not solving. I don't need this number. Number of deer playing is not given to us. We have been given only number of deer drinking water. Number of drinking water. आपको हम बताते हैं ना how to save time in paper. Solve only the portion which is required. We are going to solve. 1/4 of X upon 2 are drinking water. इसको लिखोगे direct. When I multiply 1/4 with X upon 2, what do I get? I want answer from you. Somebody else also. Saksham, don't. Everybody has to answer, not only Saksham. X upon 8 you got. But ये आपको value दी हुई है question में देखो. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. So this 9 is given to us. This is 9. So according to question, X upon 8 will become 79. 9. Now everybody in my class can find out the value of X. Very easy. What is the value of X? Hardik, what is the value of X you get?
72.
72. Akib, I can recognize your voice. Therefore, the total, what is the question asked? Look at the question. Find the number of deer in the herd. Therefore, there were 72 deer in the herd.
Ma'am, X is equals to 72.
Yes, it was very easy. It became very easy if you use this method. 1/4 was easy to find. Otherwise, you had to subtract 1 minus 3/4. Here clearly we can see, अगर हमने इसके 4 parts किए, तो 3 parts playing है, 1 part drinking water है. इसलिए 1/4 आ गया. 1/4 of X upon 2. Okay. but you have to keep in mind this x upon 2 is to be removed. ये x upon 2 को काउंट नहीं करना, जो हमने पिंक पिंक कलर किया उसको काउंट नहीं करना, क्योंकि ये तो चले गए, तो ब्रेस कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. Have you all noted down? Anybody has any query?
हो जाएगा.
है बेटा?
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा.
देखते हैं. We'll do one more part. Yes. Anybody has any query, beta?
No, ma'am.
Let Saksham everybody answer. Everybody answer. Let everybody answer.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Today there are only 25 children in the class. Only 25. Let me just find out. Tell you the name of the children who are not here. Prachi is not here. Mokshika is not here. Asad is not here. Laksh Kundra and Bhavya Sethi.
Present. I'm present.
Laksh is present. Laksh is present. Very good. So only Asad, Mokshika, Nikhil Anand, Prachi. These are absent children. So there were 20. Oh, they become 28. Once I started calling their names, number added up. Now let me start with next question. It's very easy. If you want, we can finish next two. अगर आप क्वेश्चंस खुद सॉल्व कर लेंगे, जल्दी से करते हैं. A grandfather is 10 times. Easy है बिल्कुल ये. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. Suppose granddaughter age is X years.
मैम ग्रैंडफादर की 10x.
तो ये होगा 10x.
मैम
में बोला है he is also 54 years older than her. मतलब दोनों की एज में डिफरेंस 54 है.
X
दोनों
plus
की एज
54.
में डिफरेंस 54 है. Am I clear, children?
Yes.
This is one of the easiest
Yes.
question. बस आप सॉल्व कर लेना. ठीक है बेटा? Solve it further, please. It's very easy. Because solving part we did very rigorously. We practiced a lot. Let me go for the next. Let's frame the equation. Then you will get time to solve.
मैम डॉटर की एज 6 निकल गई है.
ठीक है. Next देखो जल्दी से. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. Means if our son's age is X years, son's age is X years, तो अमन की एज कितनी हो गई? 3x. अमन की एज 3x हो गई. किसी को क्वेरी है बेटा? Present age. Then they are saying 10 years ago. What do you mean by 10 years ago?
10 साल पहले मतलब कि -10 और -10 दोनों की एज में.
Very good. Only आपको I am teaching आपके. Very good. 3x minus 10 and x minus 10. Very good. Now they are saying 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. मतलब 10 साल पहले वो अपने सन से 5 times था.
तो अगर हम उसके सन की एज 10 टाइम्स बढ़ा दें तो वो इक्वल हो जाएगा.
हाँ नहीं 10 टाइम्स नहीं बढ़ानी बेटा. ये बोला हाँ 10 टाइम्स कर देंगे, इक्वल कर देंगे बस. 3x is equal to 3x minus 10 is equal to
x minus 10 into 3 मतलब विद इन ब्रैकेट
5 टाइम्स बेटा. 5 टाइम्स. आपके
5 फिर ब्रैकेट में
5
हम
times.
उसकी जो प्रेजेंट है एज है उसको
5 times. It's 5 times. It's 5 times. It's 5 times. Can you all solve this now? It's easy. Solve it, children, please. So solve it. I just wanted you people to be with the other class. That's why I was just little hurriedly we did. You all can solve. X is equal to 6 you got here.
मैम 20 का है.
ऊपर वाले में बेटा मैं ऊपर वाला क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रही थी. Therefore, वो क्या पूछा उसमें? ये प्रेजेंट. Therefore, grandfathers.
हम इसमें x is equal to 20 आ रहा है.
ठीक है. हाँ. Granddaughter.
मैम तो ये उसकी सन की एज हो जाएगी और
मैम अमन की एज आ गई.
3 टाइम्स और इसको कर देंगे.
मैम अमन की एज 50 आ गई और सन की एज
6 years
10 आ गई.
and grandfather's
एज इक्वल टू 60।
60। वेरी गुड, ये तो इजी सा हो गया, बहुत इजी सा क्वेश्चन था।
यस मैम। मैम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में अमन की एज 50 है और सन की एज 10 है ना।
देख रहे हैं बेटा, मैं आपके सामने सॉल्व कर रही हूँ। आई वाज थिंकिंग लेट मी फ्रेम द इक्वेशंस। अब दोनों क्लासेस सेम पेज पे हो गई हैं। एंड प्लीज सॉल्व ओपन डोर पेपर्स, आल्सो सॉल्व एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस सो दैट कम टू नो।
मैम ग्रैंड
हमारी क्लास में उनकी क्लास में बस वही सब।
मैम
मैम ग्रैंडफादर की एज क्या थी?
मैम अमन की एज 20, उसकी सन की एज 20 और अमन की एज 60।
ठीक है, हाँ जी, वेरी गुड।
मैम ग्रैंडफादर की एज क्या आएगी?
50। अमन की एज 50।
नेक्स्ट वीक आई विल आल्सो टेक टेस्ट फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर, सो कीप
मैम
प्रिपेयरिंग।
मैम उसका
ऐसा
नाम
करेंगे
वर्ड
मैम,
नहीं दोगे?
ऐसा करेंगे मैम, 5
मैम
क्वेश्चन
ग्रैंड
देंगी तो 2-3 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने वाले, 2-3 वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स, लेकिन होंगे वो ऑप्शन वाले, आपको रफ कॉपी में सॉल्व करने होंगे। दे मे टेक टाइम टू सॉल्व, जैसे ये वाले क्वेश्चन टाइम लगा ना सॉल्व करने में, टाइम लगेगा उसमें, लेकिन देयर विल बी ओनली 5 क्वेश्चंस। आई एम प्लानिंग लाइक दैट, लेट मी सी।
मैम ग्रैंडफादर की एज क्या आएगी पिछले क्वेश्चन में?
इसमें
मैम पिछले वाले में
पिछले वाले में फादर की, ग्रैंडफादर की 60, 10x तो है, 10x है ना, ठीक है।
मिशन 50 आई है ना।
है बेटा, इसमें निकाल रही हूँ बेटा मैं, 60 आएगी इसमें। Therefore, son's age. बेटा once you have answered,
Equals
please
10.
keep your audios off. सक्षम ऑडियो ऑफ करो, सबको सुनाई नहीं दे रहा, नहीं तो आपके सक्षम। Son's age is 20 years and Aman's
मैम
age is,
22 है मैम। मैम -10 भी तो है।
क्या -10? प्रेजेंट एज निकालनी है आपको, दिस एज, ये निकालना है, ये
अच्छा
-10 तो 10
नहीं
years
निकालना।
बैक थी, पुरानी एज थोड़ी निकालनी है। Aman's age is 60। हाँ जी रियांश बोलो, रियांश बोलो बेटा, you have raised your hand.
मैम नो मैम।
Yes, your hand is being raised, I don't know. Okay.
मैम लक्षित का है?
लक्षित का है।
लक्षित, हाँ जी बोलो बेटा, एनी क्वेरी?
मैम पता नहीं, कुछ मेरे पापा हाथ ही नहीं इसका ज्यादा है।
You people are doing nuisance, please focus on learning. At this point of time, we all are worried with so many other things at home, at your places. Your family must be worried. I am worried. The kind of environment around. Why can't we just seriously learn? Still, I never ever miss a single minute for the class. 9:58 पर आ जाती हूँ ताकि क्लास टाइम पे स्टार्ट हो जाए, सब कुछ छोड़ के। And don't you think we have to prepare for all this? क्वेश्चन अपने आप थोड़ी लिखे हुए आते हैं यहाँ पे। We have to prepare for it. Please do the work seriously. Do the work seriously. Riyansh is doing, I think, because I could see Riyansh. It was mentioned Riyansh hand is raising up, so it means Riyansh is doing for you. Don't do miss. I'll remove these children otherwise. Next time I'll not allow these children. Yes, children. Anybody in the class has any query in any of these parts? Can I change the view? Have you all noted down? Have you all noted down?
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
If you want, I can solve this also. I am left with time. I was thinking we won't be able to solve, so I did not solve. But luckily, we solved everything in time. This will be the equation. Six 306.6 x is equal to 36600. It will be 366. 366. Deliberately, questions are designed such a way that children get everything gets cancelled easily. 36600 divided by 366.6. And the last step, है बेटा?
वो मैम उसमें भी एक 6 कम है, 600.
Okay, 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 okay. 366. 360s are there. Okay, okay. That's why they'll cancel. Na? Otherwise, they'll not cancel. Otherwise, they'll not cancel.
और कर रहे हैं कि वो हो गया.
Did you all enjoy the class? Were you expecting these questions to be so easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम आपने एक 0 एक्स्ट्रा लगा दिया
है
मैम,
बेटा?
वो 33 मैम 3666 0 है वो मैम, एक 0 एक्स्ट्रा.
Yes, 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 yes. Only one for now. 2 questions from 2.6 are left. Children, 2 questions from 2.6 are left. Word problems. Only 2 word problems. Put your audios off, children. Divyansh.
I'm 6 and 7.
2.7 or 2.6? Let me check. Let me check.
मैम नहीं मैम 2.6 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 और 7 रहते हैं.
Yes, I'm saying 2 questions. I'm saying 2 word problems. I was not saying number. I was saying 2 questions are left. And like, and I'm changing the view. Yes, children. When I was talking to the other class, some of them were asking for some problems. Nobody from your class asked any problem. You were saying, Dave, last time there was some problem in some question you did not share in class group. Please share in your class group. If your friends can tell, then it's the best. Otherwise, I will solve them in the next class. Please tell me before Tuesday. Tuesday is the next class. 2 questions के बाद time बचेगा. If you have any query in open door questions or extra questions I sent, तो मुझे दे देंगे ताकि so that I am prepared for that. Because online class cannot be done without preparation. Am I clear, children? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So आप करके रखेंगे.
यस मैम.
करके रखेंगे. Did you find the class useful?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
यस
Bye,
मैम.
children. Take care. Take care. God bless you all.